Alright. Hey, what's up? It is afternoonish today. Um, I'm here today at the Campus Road Marathon, which is like known as used to be Exxon gas station here in Campus Road, where they formerly have a car wash, has a Ryko Voyager. Well, some shocking news to tell everyone, but apparently, the last 2 weeks in a row, the Ryko Voyager has been out of service. So, as you can see, what we're going to go through today, unfortunately, is currently out of service. Or I don't know if it's no longer running or anything. Dried. Yeah. So, Ryko Voyagers, I mean, I think it's going to be shut down. It's going to be used for storage now because the top brush is down. This is one of the last remaining three systems in Pittsburgh, and so yeah, door is dirty, and so there we go. Yeah, you can see the Ryko Voyager is all shut down. I don't know if it's working any longer or not, but I knew I just had to give everyone just a full update what's going on, since a lot of subscribers know what's going on. Now, for the R7B, I am not really in that direction as often to upload those two systems. But there is a Ryko Ultra Clean, but yeah, there we go. This is my version. Yeah, so I don't know if it's going to be working any longer or not, because the Ryko Voyager seems to be dried. I think it's either going to be shut down, or it's going to be replaced for storage now. So, I won't be able to call or ask him or anything, but I'm going to check and see what's going on. If it's used for storage, just keep everyone updated. I just got an update from the Easy Wash system. They just got it fixed. So it's possible there's a good chance I might go with that one. But I mean, today I was going to try to get this one, but it's broke. So, yeah. So, I mean, I don't mind Ryko Voyagers, but I think the touch-free is more for me. I mean, I just like the Magic 1 X's, the Laser Wash G5s, the Dillinger Savers, Raj ES Road Washes, and this thing. And the only soft touch I wish I could find, but it's discontinued, there's none around here, is the wash or raising machine. It's like Broadway or On. That's one of the side ones, but they're popular. But those are rare, and those are good to discontinue. So, yeah, so I'm not sure what's going on with Ryko Voyager, but there's the Ryko Ultra Clean, which I did not long ago. But, yeah, so today I'm definitely going to get my family's vehicle a good wash today, so I'm going to check out so right now, I could have gone to the Ryko Ultra Clean, but I don't know. But this is one of the remaining ones that has onboard dryer attached to it. So, yeah. So, that's just an update on the Ryko Voyager at the Campus Run. So, and the vacuum is shut off. I'm not sure, because COVID-19 is almost over, but I just got my vaccine. The airport, hold on. Sorry, that's my phone. Yeah, so I don't know what's going to be going on with the Ryko Voyager, so, yeah, so it's just a full update. This is located, in, Robinson Township, near Sellers Ridge, and, so, unless it's broken, but I'm not sure if it's no longer working or not. And this is also across near, some business places where it goes to Thoroughbird, and so there's an odd construction on here somewhere, and there's also, a Ryko softball match with September. But I don't know. I mean, the Laser Wash G5 I did it not long ago with my assistant Kristen, but there's Duckies also. I mean, but right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through one, but I'm gonna probably go revisit some of the ones. So and so right now I'm gonna head up towards Heidelberg, Mount Lebanon direction, because I'm gonna get some stuff done. And Washington, there's not really much out there, so and Mount Lebanon's not much, and at the Kimbrels Run Marathon Exxon. Formerly it was. And, yeah, so. Alright, everyone. Well, if anyone has any questions, once again, easy wash system with this Oakdale is fixed. I will go through it almost the time, and Ryko will be watching it, so, yeah. Alright, everyone. With that being said, as always, thanks for watching. Hope everyone had a good Easter 2021, and spring is here, and okay, so right now I'm probably gonna go through a tunnel or another we're just gonna be like one of those, maybe like those Ryko